Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, and then date and time. Next, if you want to set your date and time manually, you have to disable this feature, use network provided time, and here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone here. And you can also change your time format here from 12-hour to 24-hour. And there's also an option of dual clock, and you can set your second clock here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.